right. Little hurricane. Bandit heat. Miles from the Gulf Stream, you hear the south wind moan. Bridges are getting lower, the shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the Cottage slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey. Comes around every June. That high black water, devil's daughter. She's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. They came down from Chicago. They're gonna set that levee right. Needs to be at least 3 feet higher. It won't make it through the night. Well, the old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. Water be down by the Lord and he'll be back to Illinois. When I was born in the rain on a Ponce train underneath the Louisiana moon, I
one more.